Municipal Corporation and for Panvel Municipal Corporation. We have already taken training in Raigad district. If any of the participants feel that we should physically come to your school and take a training session, please reach out to us. We have app called Edrahi. On the app, we have released SSC MCQ series. In SSC MCQ series, there are uh, 3 सब्जेक्ट्स कवर्ड सो फार. स्टेट बोर्ड के लिए जो एसएससी के स्टूडेंट्स हैं उनके लिए ये टेस्ट सीरीज बड़े काम आते हैं. लेसन प्लान्स हमारे पास कस्टमाइज टेलर मेड है. ओलंपियाड टेस्ट सीरीज है. अगर आपको इसमें से कोई भी सपोर्ट की जरूरत है तो प्लीज रीच आउट टू अस. ओलंपियाड में इंग्लिश, मैथ्स और साइंस के सब्जेक्ट्स हमने कवर किए हैं. वी कीप आस्किंग इन द गूगल फॉर्म एंड इफ द पार्टिसिपेंट सिलेक्ट फॉर यस, अवर टीम कॉल्स देम एंड दे से दैट गलती से हमने यस किया. तो प्लीज ऐसा मत कीजिए. ऑथेंटिक फीडबैक फॉर्म आप भरना एक्सपेक्टेड है और आपका फीडबैक आएगा, उस हिसाब से हम डेटा प्रोसेस करते हैं. ठीक है. सो एनी पार्टिसिपेंट नीड्स एनी सपोर्ट फ्रॉम प्री प्राइमरी टू ग्रेड 10, please feel free to reach out to us. We are there to support all the teachers. Okay. So far we have done 9 webinars and we have 3,551 registered users. Zoom participants are 2215 and certificates issued, as I said, more than 2,000 we have received so far. Next slide. So I faced, as a teacher, I faced a lot of problems when I was making question paper. For example, if I make a question paper, I always struggle in the header footer of it, the font size of it, and if I reach out to my principal madam and if I ask her that whether this paper is up to the mark or not, I have always been scolded by her or bombarded with suggestions, and I felt like after spending 2-3 hours of making that 4-5 pages question paper, I am still struggling as a teacher. So as a teacher, if you have struggled ever, please put it in the chat box. कि MS Word में जब भी आपने question paper बनाया है किसी भी assessment के लिए, चाहे वो formative assessment हो, चाहे वो summative assessment हो, image add करना हो, चाहे कुछ भी हो, तो please share one small incident that has ever troubled you to work with MS Word. With this, I asked solution to Shabbir sir कि ये पर्टिकुलर चीज में क्वेश्चन पेपर बनाने के टाइम पे जब टीचर स्ट्रगल करते हैं तो उनको आप कैसे हेल्प कर सकते हो, वो धीरे धीरे आप ये पूरे सेशन में अनफोल्ड करेंगे और पावर पॉइंट प्रेजेंटेशन के भी टिप्स एंड ट्रिक्स देखेंगे. थैंक यू एवरीवन. थैंक यू ऑल द पार्टिसिपेंट्स. आई हैंड ओवर द सेशन टू शब्बीर सर. थैंक यू.
Thank you, Pooja teacher. Good evening, all teachers. तो पहला सेशन हम लोग ने एक्सेल पे किया था. Now today is the second session on MS Word. As Pooja teacher said, a lot of problem you guys are facing as a teacher while making the lesson plans, report cards, or that particular thing, क्वेश्चन पेपर्स. सो उस रिलेटेड हम लोग आज कुछ लाइव देखेंगे कैसे फॉर्मेटिंग होता है, डिजाइनिंग होता है, एडिटिंग होता है वर्ड पे. सो मैं आप लोगों को स्क्रीन पे ले जाऊंगा वर्ड के. ठीक है. वर्ड स्क्रीन. अच्छा. सो देयर इज अ शॉर्टकट की टू ओपन वर्ड विदाउट गोइंग टू. बेसिकली हम लोग वर्ड जब चाहिए होता है हम लोग जाते हैं यहाँ पे स्टार्ट मेनू, वर्ड पे जाते हैं. तो देयर इज अ शॉर्टकट की टू ओपन वर्ड डायरेक्टली फ्रॉम कीबोर्ड. ओके. आई होप यू गाइज माइट नो दिस. ये बहुत लंबा शॉर्टकट की है, सारा यूज करना है. और कंट्रोल शिफ्ट विंडो ऑल्ट डब्ल्यू सारे की यूज करने. शिफ्ट कंट्रोल विंडो ऑल्ट प्लस डब्ल्यू आपका ओपन हो जाएगा वर्ड फाइल. ठीक है. सो आई प्रेस CTRL प्लस ऑल्ट प्लस शिफ्ट प्लस विंडो की प्लस डब्ल्यू. अब सिमिलरली अगर आप डब्ल्यू की जगह एक्स प्रेस करेंगे तो आपका एक्सेल ओपन हो जाएगा. ठीक है. तो इज अ स्मॉल शॉर्टकट की टू ओपन दिस पर्टिकुलर वर्ड फाइल. चलिए कुछ लिखते हैं यहाँ पे, जैसे एक बेसिक प्रॉब्लम हमेशा आती है दैट फॉन्ट में कभी आपके टीचर्स बोलते हैं कि फॉन्ट टाइम्स रोमन रखना, बट आप जैसे ओपन करके लिख रहे हो यहाँ पे एरियल में आ रहा है, फिर आप जाके उसको क्या करते हो, टाइम्स करते हो। ठीक है, इफ यू वांट टू फिक्स इट एज अ टाइम्स ओनली, जब भी आप ओपन करो टाइम्स न्यू रोमन में आए या एरियल में आए कुछ भी और फॉन्ट में आए, तो आपको एक छोटा सा सेटिंग करना पड़ेगा। जस्ट गो टू दिस पर्टिकुलर, यहाँ पे फॉन्ट में कॉर्नर में जाइएगा, जस्ट यहाँ पे क्लिक कीजिएगा, यू विल गेट अ बॉक्स, डायलॉग बॉक्स फॉन्ट का। ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे मुझे टाइम्स चाहिए, टाइम्स न्यू रोमन चाहिए, एंड कुछ फॉन्ट साइज अगर है पर्टिकुलरली 12 14 15 जो भी है वट एवर, उसको मैं सिलेक्ट करूंगा एंड सेव एज डिफॉल्ट, जस्ट टू सेव एज डिफॉल्ट। अब अगर मैं इसको सेव एज डिफॉल्ट फॉर दिस डॉक्यूमेंट ओनली और एंटायर डॉक्यूमेंट टेम्पलेट, जो भी मैं इसके बाद भी काम करूंगा वो रोमन में आएगा। ठीक है, अब जब भी मैं इसको क्लोज करके नया फाइल भी ओपन करूंगा, कंट्रोल एन करता हूँ, तो भी टाइम्स रोमन में ही रिटर्न आएगा। देयर इज नो प्रॉब्लम और need to change every time to Arial to Times Roman और कुछ भी other font। ठीक है, by default the font will be set it as Times New Roman। ठीक है, ये हो गया। तो बेसिकली दिस फीचर्स यू मस्ट नो दैट कि कैसे साइज बड़ा करते हैं, फॉन्ट बड़ा होता है, बोल्ड होता है, इटैलिक होता है, एवरीथिंग। अभी जैसे हम सपोज क्वेश्चन पेपर प्रिपेयर कर रहे हैं, मैंने एडुको लिखा, क्लास लिख दिया यहाँ पे, क्लास 3, एग्जाम डेट 5 जुलाई। तो आई नीड दिस थिंग इन द सेंटर ऑफ द डॉक्यूमेंट, तो इसको मुझे सेंटर में अलाइन करना है। द शॉर्टकट की इज कंट्रोल ई टू टेक इट टू सेंटर। अभी वो कहाँ पे था, राइट पे था, सॉरी लेफ्ट पे था, राइट पे लाना है, कंट्रोल आर राइट पे आ जाएगा, कंट्रोल एल लेफ्ट पे आ जाएगा, कंट्रोल ई सेंटर पे आ जाएगा। या फिर आप यहाँ पे ऊपर पे जाके पैराग्राफ में भी कर सकते हो अलाइनमेंट, यू कैन डू दैट। सो दीज आर द शॉर्टकट की, कंट्रोल ई फॉर सेंटर, कंट्रोल आर फॉर राइट, कंट्रोल एल फॉर लेफ्ट। तो अभी मुझे सेंटर में चाहिए, तो कंट्रोल ई आ गया। देन आई नीड अ लाइन, एक बीच में लाइन चाहिए मेरे को। तो बेसिकली लाइन हमें कहाँ मिलता है, शेप्स में मिलता है, इंसर्ट में शेप्स में आप जाइएगा अगर, तो आपको यहाँ पे शेप्स में लाइन मिलेगा। ठीक है, तो अनदर वे टू पुट अ लाइन विदाउट गोइंग टू शेप इज जस्ट माइनस 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 एंटर, यू गेट अ लाइन। अभी इसको थोड़ा और थिक करना है लाइन को, तो इक्वल्स टू इक्वल्स टू इक्वल्स टू एंटर, डबल लाइन आ गया, हैज, तो जैसा लाइन चाहिए वैसा लाइन आ जाएगा, जस्ट 3 टाइम्स एंटर। तो क्वेश्चन पेपर मेरा, मुझे जो अच्छा लग रहा है मैं उसको रख लूंगा, बाकी को डिलीट कर दूंगा, नहीं चाहिए तो। आई नीड दिस। तो स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम हियर, अभी यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 लिखते हैं। सो यू मस्ट नो दिस बुलेट वाला थिंग, बुलेट एंड नंबरिंग। होम में बुलेट एंड नंबरिंग होता है, जैसे 1 2 3 4, और 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 लिखा, यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 आ गया, एंटर किया, क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 आ गया। ठीक है, बट आई नीड लाइक दिस, Q1 देन Q2। ठीक है, ऐसा चाहिए। तो दिस इज कस्टमाइज बुलेट काइंड ऑफ। ऐसे बहुत जगह आप लोगों को जरूरत पड़ती होगी, Q1 आएगा, Q2 आएगा, Q3 आएगा, बट नॉर्मली 1 2 आता है, क्यू नहीं आता है। अगर मैं Q2 लिख के एंटर मार रहा हूँ ना, Q3 नहीं आ रहा, मुझे मैनुअली Q3 लिखना पड़ रहा है। ओके, तो इसके लिए मुझे क्या करना पड़ेगा, यहाँ पे जैसे 1 लिखा हुआ है यहाँ पे, तो आप जाइएगा बुलेट्स पे जाइएगा। ऑलरेडी मैंने Q1 Q2 किया है, आप कैसे करोगे इसको, डिफाइन न्यू। ठीक है, डिफाइन न्यू में चले जाइएगा, यहाँ पे लिखना है Q, Q डॉट, और नंबर कैसा है, 1 2 3। तो अब क्या आ जाएगा, Q1 Q2 Q3। मैंने क्या किया, यहाँ पे नंबर फॉर्मेट में Q डॉट लिख दिया, बाकी तो नंबर स्टाइल इज 1 2 3 1 2 3 4। सो Q1 Q2 Q3। ओके, ये देखिए Q1 आ गया, Q2 आ गया। अब जैसे एंटर करेंगे Q3 आएगा एंड Q4 आएगा, Q5 आएगा, राइट। फॉर एग्जाम्पल इफ क्वेश्चन वन के अंदर में देर इज मल्टीपल टैब्स लाइक एबीसी दिस ए, तो इसको क्या बोलते हैं, सब बुलेट काइंड ऑफ दिस Q1, उसके अंदर ए आएगा फिर आई आएगा। तो बेसिकली यू कैन यूज टैब फॉर दिस। आपने एंटर किया, जस्ट एंटर हियर, प्रेस टैब, ए आ जाएगा, अगेन एंटर बी आएगा, अगेन एंटर टैब, वन आएगा, एंटर टैब। जितना आगे जाना है, यू वांट टू मूव फॉरवर्ड, जस्ट प्रेस टैब टैब टैब। अगर वापस पीछे जाना है देन शिफ्ट टैब। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 करना है तो शिफ्ट टैब बैक टू क्वेश्चन नंबर 2। नॉट इट, ये आ गया मेरे। तो अभी क्वेश्चन में कहीं पे आपको कुछ इमेज इधर इंसर्ट करना है पर्टिकुलरली, वो एक चैलेंजेस आता है, इमेज इंसर्ट करना है, ग्राफ बनाना है, इक्वेशन लिखना है, मल्टीपल चैलेंजेस है। तो चलिए एक इमेज इंसर्ट करते हैं हम लोग। गूगल से कोई इमेज ले लेते हैं, मैथमेटिक्स, सिंपल गूगल में जाइएगा, कोई भी इमेज आप सर्च कर सकते हो, ठीक है? कोई भी इमेज ओपन कर लो आप, यहाँ पे साइट में आ जाएगा। या यहीं पे राइट क्लिक करके आप इसको कॉपी भी कर सकते हो, जस्ट कॉपी इमेज एंड पेस्ट इन आवर वर्ड डॉक्यूमेंट। आ गया, वहां से कॉपी, कंट्रोल से राइट क्लिक कॉपी, यहाँ पे कंट्रोल वी, इमेज आ गया। तो वंस इमेज, कभी मुझे इमेज यहाँ पे है, मुझे इमेज यहाँ पे चाहिए या यहाँ पे चाहिए, तो इमेज को फ्रीली मूव करने के लिए जस्ट देखिए राइट कॉर्नर एक होगा, एक ऑप्शन है बिहाइंड द टेक्स्ट, एक है रैप टेक्स्ट टाइप। ये अभी क्या करेगा, जहां पे टेक्स्ट है वहीं पे आप उसको पुट कर सकते हो, इट्स फ्री। आप कहीं पे भी इसको डाल सकते हो, इसको चाहो तो ऊपर भी यहाँ पे पुट कर सकते हो, या यहाँ पे ऐसे चाहिए यहाँ पे कर सकते हो। इसको साइज को छोटा बड़ा कर सकते हैं जस्ट लाइक दिस, और छोटा होगा तो पूरा ऊपर चला जाएगा। इमेज को कॉपी करना है कंट्रोल सी, और एक जगह पे डालना है कंट्रोल वी पेस्ट। अभी कुछ रैंडम टेक्स्ट लिख देते हैं, राइट डाउन सम रैंडम टेक्स्ट। तो यू मस्ट हर्ड अबाउट दिस फॉर्मेट पेंटर। फॉर्मेट पेंटर क्या करता है, अगर अभी नॉर्मल एक टेक्स्ट लिखा हुआ है, मुझे और एक फॉर्मेट में फॉन्ट में चाहिए, इसके कलर चेंज करने हैं, इसके कुछ चेंज करने में, इस पर्टिकुलर पावरफुल को मैंने बिल्कुल कलर में रेड कलर कर दिया, और थोड़ा बोल्ड कर देते हैं इसको, बोल्ड करके बड़ा कर दिया, ठीक है। तो सेम थिंग आई नीड, दिस पावरफुल इज रेड, आई नीड सर्च रेड, आई नीड हेडर रेड, डिफरेंट रेड, मुझे छोटा छोटा वर्ड रेड में चाहिए। सो जस्ट टेक सिलेक्ट पावरफुल, गो टू पेंट, फॉर्मेट पेंटर, क्लिक ऑन दैट फॉर्मेट पेंटर, और जो वर्ड को मुझे रेड करना है, जैसे डिजाइन को रेड करना है, तो डिजाइन पे जाके क्लिक कर दिया, डिजाइन रेड हो गया। तो मल्टीपल चीजों को करना है तो मुझे यहाँ डबल क्लिक करना पड़ेगा प्रेस पे, ना अब जहां जहां पे मैं जाऊंगा वहां पे कलर चेंज होगा, चेंज द कलर, कीबोर्ड चेंज, हेल्प, तो दिस फॉर्मेट चेंज हो गया. नाउ आई वांट टू रिमूव दिस फॉर्मेट ऑफ एंटायर para. Okay, just press कंट्रोल स्पेस बार. कंट्रोल स्पेस बार प्रेस करते ही आपका सारा फॉर्मेट रिमूव हो जाएगा. बैक टू योर नॉर्मल टेक्स्ट, CTRL प्लस स्पेस बार. जस्ट नीड टू क्लिक CTRL प्लस स्पेस बार. जो भी फॉर्मेट था सारे फॉर्मेट चले गए. फॉर एग्जाम्पल कुछ सिलेक्टेड एरिया को कुछ कलर करना है मुझे, तो यू कैन होल्ड ऑल्ट एंड ड्रैग like this can read, then hold alt and drag, this will be go green. Same paragraph but multiple colors, red, black and green. How it possible? Just press alt key and select with the mouse pointer. Mouse pointer से select कीजिएगा, alt press करके, and give another color or anything else. ये आ गया paragraph. अभी paragraph need to remove everything, just control space bar. चला गया. ये नहीं जाएगा क्योंकि ये हाइलाइटर है, इसको यहाँ से रिमूव करना पड़ेगा. नाउ व्हेन क्वेश्चन प्रिपेयरिंग में मैथमेटिक्स टीचर हो जाए, साइंस टीचर हो जाए, उनमें इक्वेशंस आते रहते हैं, जैसे a⁻²5 ऐसे साइन थीटा कॉस थीटा बहुत सारे इक्वेशंस होते हैं. तो दैट इक्वेशन आल्सो इज देयर इन वर्ड. तो आपको क्या करना है, जस्ट यहाँ पे ऑल्ट इक्वल टू लिखना है. व्हाट यू नीड टू, ऑल्ट इक्वल टू. जैसे ऑल्ट इक्वल टू करेंगे ना, आपका इक्वेशन का ऑप्शन हो जाएगा, ओपन हो जाएगा. और यू कैन डू जस्ट गो टू इंसर्ट इक्वेशन, ये भी कर सकते हैं. द शॉर्टकट की इज ऑल्ट इक्वल टू. ऑल्ट इक्वल टू आपका इक्वेशन ओपन कर. नाउ फ्रैक्शन चाहिए तो फ्रैक्शन पे चले जाएंगे, तो आ गया. जस्ट यहाँ पे इसको रिप्लेस कर सकते हैं, 1/2 आ गया. नाउ प्लस कुछ और डालना है इक्वेशन, देन ऑल्ट इक्वल टू. नाउ सुपरस्क्रिप्ट करना है, लाइक दिस, a⁻n. कैन बी पॉसिबल टू दिस. तो बड़ा करना है, जस्ट सिलेक्ट दिस ऑल, इंक्रीज द साइज. और भी कुछ इक्वेशन डालना, फिर ऑल्ट इक्वल टू, रेदर मल्टीपल टाइम यू गो एंड इंसर्ट इक्वेशन, यू जस्ट प्रेस ऑल्ट इक्वल टू to get this. फंक्शंस आ गया, साइन थीटा कॉस थीटा, जस्ट साइन यहाँ पे डालना है, थीटा. You want to change color, you can select this, also go to color, change color. जो भी फॉर्मूला डालना है यू कैन पुट इट. लाइक एक क्वेश्चन लिखा हुआ है, आई जस्ट, दिस इज फॉर एग्जांपल क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. ओके, यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 इज रिटन, हियर आई नीड ऑल्ट इक्वल्स टू फॉर्मूला. थोड़ा बड़ा करना है इसको, यहाँ नहीं चाहिए, नीचे चाहिए. तो यू कैन सिलेक्ट मल्टीपल फॉर्मूलाज हियर, बहुत सारे फॉर्मूलाज हैं, इक्वेशंस हैं, जो सिंबल चाहिए आपको मिल जाएगा. कुछ प्री डिफाइंड है, और जहां पे आपको दिख रहा होगा डॉटेड बॉक्स दिख रहा होगा, यू कैन ऐड योर numbers here. You can add 1, 2, whatever number here or whatever letter here. आप यहाँ पे a लिख सकते हो, कुछ भी लिख सकते हो. Weights upon your requirement, you can change that. I hope you understood this. Let's move ahead.
Shabbir, abhi
हाँ,
jo
ma'am.
whatever you have done till now, can we take a few questions based on this so we don't have to come back?
Yeah, definitely, ma'am.
Okay,
We
yeah.
can take.
So, Pragati, can you please say some of the questions which have been asked?
Yes, ma'am. Okay. So one of the question was, I have a question. Can we edit a PDF file in Word? Please address this question. PDF file in Word. Can we
Okay.
edit?
Okay. Yes, you can edit. So basically, this is a one major challenge we are facing. Suppose we get some PDF file, उसमें से particular कुछ चीजें चाहिए होती हैं, we need to copy and into the Word or make some changes and उसको फिर PDF करके कहीं send करना है. So that can be happen. That can be done. So just need to open a PDF file in Word directly. Just go to open this PC. Go to your location of that PDF जहाँ पे आपने कहीं PDF रखा हुआ है. You go to that location. As my PDF is one of the PDF is here, I open that PDF directly here. Okay. So said yes. It will take some time. Just you need to simply, but if there is any image or scan copy, that can be edited. अगर कोई scan copy है, photo खींच के उसको किया हुआ है, वो edit नहीं हो. But some document made from Word, that can be edited, like this document. Now it's open. I can show you the PDF also, which help you to understand better. So this is a PDF file. Okay, that is used there. That's not opening. You know what? So it's open now here. We can edit anything. I can change the color. Okay. And save it. Save file. Save as PDF. Need to save as a PDF again. Save as PDF. Save. Okay.
Shabbir, is
Yeah,
it
ma'am.
possible to unmute the participants and so
Yes,
they
yes.
can ask
We
their
can.
own
We can.
questions? Yeah. So
Yeah, we can.
Rupali Kalange, you can ask your questions. It's there in the chat box, but we would like you to ask it. We will unmute you now.
Hello.
Yes, Rupali, can you hear me? I don't know which school you're from, sorry, but I can see your name.
She is
Yeah.
asking how to write alphabets in 4 lines.
Yes, she's asking.
Okay.
Hello.
Hey, hi,
Hello.
Rupali.
Hello, sir. Good evening.
Good
So
evening. Good evening.
for smaller grade, always we are struggling to make a four, as we are writing in a four-letter words, letters in a 4 line. So always we are struggling to write that strokes, as alphabets are having some upper stroke, middle stroke, and lower strokes. So we are struggling to set that 4 lines. So will you tell, please?
Like alphabets like ABCD only?
Yeah, like that only for smaller grade.
Okay. You mean to say A, B, C, D in one
Yeah.
line? Then
Yeah. If we want to give them question, ki write missing alphabets.
Okay.
Yeah.
Write missing alphabets. Okay.
Yeah.
You will share him 4 line A B C D E F G H and ask them to find the missing word, correct? Correct.
Yes. Yeah. Like that.
Okay. So how will you do right now? You just type this like A, B, C, D, or what you are doing currently.
Okay. But if we want to give them a lines, ready-made 4 lines like a notebook,
Okay.
and how to write that alphabets on that line, particular lines.
Or you want to say like ABCD, you are saying them to write this ABCD in a line, correct?
Yeah.
You want to take a printout of this copy and tell the students to write ABCD or whatever the alphabets are there. Is it correct?
Huh.
Like ABCD is written here, there is a fill in the blanks, and student will type ABCD on that particular blank field. Rupali? Hello.
Rupali, can you please specify?
Sadha ma'am, will you able to understand something?
I think she wants to say that when small children start writing, they have this red and blue line notebook, and they write
Okay.
between. Am I right, Rupali ji?
Yes, ma'am.
Red,
As
blue
we are
line.
writing in a notebook, 4
Yeah.
line
Yes.
notebook, so they are having some letters in upper stroke, middle
Yes,
stroke, and
yes.
lower stroke. Suppose we have given them in a 4 line A letter, and they want to write B in next line. So how can they write? How can we give that 4 lines in this Microsoft
So
Word?
she wants a template prepared, Shabbir, just
Okay.
like is there in a notebook now. In
Yeah.
notebook, they have red and blue lines for beginner writers. So
Right,
capitals
like
they
this
write,
one,
yeah,
like this one, like this one.
yeah, but there are
Correct.
4 lines, like in
Yeah.
the
This
between,
is
yeah,
just normal lines.
yeah. So how
But
to
for
prepare
smaller
that?
grade, primary students.
Yes,
Okay, this kind of 4 line only.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, understand.
but they are closer. The middle 2 lines will be closer.
Hmm.
So we'll see there is 2 lines, like 1 line. There is another line, and this kind of something like this.
Hmm. Do we have, can we get any templates or like ready-made notebook in
I
the
just
Word?
there is no template kind of thing in Word. You just need to prepare once a template, and you can use that in later on also. But you have to prepare from these shapes only.
But
Pick the
what,
shapes on lines.
yeah, always we are struggling. So when we write the letters in that
Yeah,
lines,
now
so
yeah,
sometimes,
it's problem.
yeah,
Understood. You can just
yeah,
you are facing the problem like writing something here, ABCD.
yes,
Okay,
yes,
it's
correct,
not exact match to this. Just use
yes,
here the text box. Okay, for typing, just use the text box. Draw a text box here. Okay,
okay.
and write them, and then write like ABCD or A, whatever you want to write. Just write
Hmm.
A. This will be in between that lines only. Just remove the you say outlines of that. Now you can see this field also there. No field. Now A is in between that line. Okay, you can move as per your requirement or increase the size as well. So always use that text box rather than going and typing. Use the text box. Okay, this is exact in between the lines. A. Now you can type B also here. C also here. Just you need to do once and do copy for this all. Okay, you select all and make a copy. See this, Control D and put it here. Okay. Just like this. or this, Control D, another copy, let's put it here. If you want to type directly, that will be mismatch with your line. Just take the set the text box option and start typing. I hope it will help you. Rupali?
Okay, sir. But in that now, students will get confused because middle line will be not visible.
No, you can make distance between this. No? You can make as I said, you can make as first you need to make the lines. Okay, then while typing, you just take this text box and type. Okay, this is text box.
So,
You-
Rupali teacher is asking like for pre-primary red, blue line, something like that.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
You,
For
you
suppose
change the
the
color. You
grade
change the
1.
color.
Okay.
You can change the color also of this
Okay,
line.
sir. Yeah.
Once you start picking the line inside wala, you can change the color of that.
Sure.
This is the line.
Yeah.
Format, you can change the red line and make the thicker line also. You can do
Yes. Yes, sir. Thank you.
that.
Can we please unmute? I don't know the name. You have not changed your device name. OnePlus CPH2467. I'm sorry, I don't know your name. Teachers are. Can you please ask your question? You'll be unmuted.
Ma'am, good evening, ma'am.
Yes. Hello.
Yeah, I was just telling about this only, the query which is going on now. I was just trying to help the
Okay,
teacher.
first line,
It
first
is
line will
red
be
and
red.
blue line. First line is red line, and then the missing letters to be written.
Yeah.
A, then B missing, C, then D missing, like that.
Yeah.
Okay, and you also have asked another question. Teachers are
It's
finding
about
it the
alignment,
same thing.
madam. It's
Is the
about
same thing?
alignment.
Okay. What
It's
is
about
that?
alignment. When the teachers are making the papers,
Yeah.
so they find it difficult for doing the alignment.
Okay. Shabir, can
That
you
is
please,
what.
can you please address this?
Yeah, we are on this alignment only.
Yeah.
That center part and kind of question. This bullets numbering. This is the alignment part only. Okay, font and style. Okay, you can also put here header footer also. Let's come to header footer now. This is the major part. If you want to put logo there or write something page number kind of, that also help. So go to insert. Header footer is their option. Header, footer, and page number. There are three options. Header. Go to header. You will get default headers kind of thing also. This is like colorful header. Document 1, document title you can mention. Okay. Or you can put your logo also here. Go to header. Edit header. Yes. Insert header. Edit header. So I have a logo. Just go to the pictures, insert pictures. Just divide and go to images. I have a logo. Just select that logo. Okay. So just resize that logo as per your requirement. Now this is shown as a header. Educo logo will be there as a header. Simply just go to header, insert the image, picture, device, pick any of the picture, no issue with that. If I pick this one and resize this one, this is also come as a header. Now this header, it will reflect every page. I can add page number also, like here page number, where I want top, bottom, page number, margin, top, page number 1. Page number written, page number 1, page number 2, page number 3. Now go back to question preparation. One important thing we need to discuss is like this. Most of the time we're facing problem to create this kind of angles. 90 degree, exact 90 degree, exact 45 degree. So if you want to create exact like 75 degree, 90 degree or 30 degree, whatever the degree, just start here doing. Right? Go to draw. Okay. Most of the time you just select steps for that, but go to draw. Take the ruler. It's a scale of kind. This is 45 degree. Okay. I need to change this 45 degree to 90 degree or 35 degree. Just scroll your mouse. By scrolling my upward, number is changing. I just scroll my mouse. Okay. Just scroll your mouse. You will change the number is changing. Like 90 degree, it will straight. It's 90 degree now. Take a pen, draw a line. Okay, straight line. Again, go to 0. Take a pen, draw a line. So this is 90 degree. But I want 30 degree. $70, $60. Or 45 degree. Let's take 45. 60, 60, 45, 40. Draw a line. Then go to 0 again for bottom line. Draw the line. Alright. So this is 90 degree, this is 45 degree. Whatever the degree you want, just scroll your mouse. You can see here the number is changing. As per that number, you can put. So now 90 degree. I just want to mention that 90 degree, it is 90 degree. Go to insert, shapes. Take this shape, arc. Okay, take the arc and put it here. Like this. Change the size of that. Okay, this is a perfect 90 degree. Now you want to write down 90 somewhere. Go to insert, take the text box only. Don't write anywhere. Just take a text box and want to write 90 degree anywhere. Just type 90 degree. So there is no degree key in the keyboard. You need to go to the equations. Insert symbols. Sorry, symbols. Symbol, more symbols. It search that degree wala thing. Like you will get the degree. Search that degree here. This is mathematical. It's the degree one. Insert. Close. So it's 90 degree. See this. Now remove this outline. Smart shape. Remove outline. No outline. This is a 90 degree. You can make it bold, colorful, whatever you want to do. Now you can put it here, here, or you want ABC kind of thing also. Just copy paste this one. Just create a copy of this. Control C, Control V. Or just press Control D to make a copy of 90. Why making copy? I can change the 90 to A, B, C. What? Control D, 190 again. So change this 90 degree to A. This is A axis. Control D. This is B kind of thing. Okay, and change E. and T. This is, want to put anything else, 0, C. This is just a sample. You can do as per your requirement. Whatever you need, you can do as per that. I'm just putting example. This. You can increase the size also. Whatever you want to do, you can do. You can put it this particular arc, Control D, and this particular arc can be used in 45-degree as well. The size is little bit smaller. Just decrease the size. Now it's 45. Okay. So it's 45 degree. So we use this draw wala option and make it. Okay. So another thing is link to math. Here is the option link to math. Just click on that link to math. You will get a whiteboard kind of thing where you can write, like I write very difficultly A. So it's preview as A plus B equals to 2A B. It's taken wrong. Okay. So insert, it will come here as an equation only. Okay. It's come as an equation. So there is two options in draw. There is link to math and another is link to shape. Link to shape is what? You need to draw a shape. I just want a circle, random circle. I just draw it and just turn as a circle. Circle. Turn as a circle. Square. Turn as a square. Okay. What are we? I just draw a shape, not a perfect shape, but it will turn as a perfect circle or whatever. कुछ भी बना सकते हैं जो shapes में है, like they here insert shapes. यहाँ पे जो भी है, if you want to draw, just you can draw like this one arrow. Okay, I want just make a arrow or line, straight line. Draw, take to shape. बन गया arrow. थोड़ा उसको समझाना पड़ेगा, जस्ट लाइक AI काइंड ऑफ थिंग. AI की तरह है, आपको थोड़ा इसको समझाना पड़ेगा, ये फिर बना लेता है. It's an easy part. So draw. Okay, so it's in draw portion. Back to insert. Now the one major portion is everybody used. It's a table. Insert में table है. आप लोगों ने use किया होगा table. एक बार फिर से table पे जाते हैं. तो create a table. Go to table. Select the column and rows. Just you are selecting here. वहाँ पे box बनते जा रहा है. Okay. Or click on insert table. You will fix your columns and tables. I need 2 column, 2 row. Okay, it will happen. Yeah, insert table. Draw a table also there. Just draw. You can draw the table also. Okay. One more simple way to insert a table or draw a table: plus, minus, minus, plus, minus, minus, plus. Enter. You will get a table. जितना माइनस रहेगा उतना लेंथ हो जाएगा आपके टेबल का. Like minus is longer minus, enter longer. While you're typing something, you need a pin code wala table, A, B, C, D kind of. So just this is perfect. Minus, minus, plus, minus, minus, plus, minus, minus, plus, minus, minus, plus. Enter. You can write pin code 1, 2, 3, 4. Sorry, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Use tab. So you can create a new one. Go ahead, tab. So this is table. Go again, select insert table. So we need table for timetable making kind of thing. टाइम टेबल बनाना होता है तो टेबल की जरूरत पड़ती है, जहाँ पे ऊपर में मंडे ट्यूसडे लिखा होता है, या साइड में मंडे ट्यूसडे लिखा होता है, यहाँ पे ऐसे मंडे ट्यूसडे एंड ऊपर में ही लिखा होता है। तो मैंने कुछ प्रिपेयर किया था, वो वहाँ पे ले जाता हूँ आपको, तो इजी रहेगा rather देन फिर से स्टार्ट करने में। तो दिस इज द टेबल। सो आई प्रिपेयर दिस टेबल like month time. Days are here. Monday time is 10:15 a.m. to 11, whatever your time. You just prepare that time. And math, English. So math is written is here, and Monday is like this, straight. Rather, तो ये कैसे हुआ? How it this format is changed? Just जैसे टेबल आप कर लोगे ना, यहाँ पे डिजाइन टेबल ऑप्शन आ जाएगा एंड लेआउट टेबल ऑप्शन आ जाएगा। तो गो टू दिस लेआउट टेबल ऑप्शन। In this layout table option, if I write here Tuesday, तो ये कैसे आ रहा है? ये तो नॉर्मल आ रहा है, बट मंडे कैसा है? मंडे की तरह इसको एंगल चेंज करना है, डायरेक्शन चेंज करना है। तो जस्ट गो टू टेक्स्ट डायरेक्शन एंड क्लिक, you will definitely get this. Okay. You can see, मतलब चारों तरफ वो घूम रहा है टेक्स्ट, तो मुझे चाहिए ऐसा। आगे नाउ हियर आई टाइप इंग्लिश फर्स्ट क्लास। सो इंग्लिश इज रिटन ऑन अ कॉर्नर, बट मैथ इज बॉटम, तो मुझे भी ये बॉटम में चाहिए। तो जस्ट गो हियर, यहाँ पे है ऑप्शंस, अलाइनमेंट का चेंज हो रहा है। 9 टाइप ऑफ ऑप्शन इज देयर, टॉप कॉर्नर, टॉप मिडिल, बॉटम राइट, बॉटम मिडिल, बॉटम लेफ्ट, जहां पे चाहिए आपको यू कैन पुट देयर। तो आई पुट इट सेंटर, आई वांट मैथ आल्सो इज सेंटर, इंग्लिश इज सेंटर, मैथ इज सेंटर, इज सेंटर सेंटर सेंटर। तो मंडे ट्यूसडे वेडनेसडे आई कैन टेक इट एज अ कॉपी पेस्ट, ये हो जाएगा, वेडनेसडे हो जाएगा, ये हो जाएगा, थर्सडे हो जाएगा। नाउ फ्राइडे, तो फॉर फ्राइडे गो टू एंड जस्ट प्रेस टैब, और एक नीचे है फ्राइडे, जस्ट गो इंटर 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 टैब, ये आ जाएगा आपका सैटरडे। So with this you can make, and for coloring just select this particular cells, go to design, there is a color shading option, just go and set what whichever color you like, just pick that color. Font color कहाँ से change होगा? Home, font color is here, white, font color is here. Font size increase, decrease, font size increase, decrease, whatever you want. Okay. And to take it print out, Control P, you can see the preview. This particular page is in landscape. Okay, so how to make it landscape? A particular page, जैसे ये page है, this is portrait page. I want to change the layout to landscape. Just go to layout, orientation, portrait to landscape. This is now landscape. If you go for print, Control P, you can see this. यहाँ पे space आ रहा है क्योंकि landscape में है. Portrait में होता तो वैसे ही निकल जाता. Got it? Okay. One more thing, I have some paragraphs. So just want to break this one paragraph into multiple paragraphs. So go to layout or multiple columns. Just go to columns. This is one column. You can make it 2 column, 3 column. Like newspaper kind of. जैसे newspaper में आता है वैसे आए. Okay. और for example, if you want to give for practice, बच्चों को practice के लिए आपको देना है. ऐसे ABCD लिखा हुआ है, आपको practice के लिए देना है. Like क्या बोल सकते हैं? 24D1, 24D0. It's A, 4D1. It's B, 24. 2, 3, 2, 3. ये ABCD लिखा हुआ है, ये प्रैक्टिस के लिए देना, या फिर MCQ क्वेश्चंस में आते हैं बेसिकली. इफ यू आर प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर MCQ क्वेश्चन, जस्ट टिक ऑन A, टिक ऑन B, टिक ऑन C. पेंसिल से, पेन से बच्चों को करना है, तो इसको आप कर सकते हो. वैसे थोड़ा साइज बड़ा कर लो, यहाँ पे जाओ लेआउट पे, कॉलम दे दो, 3 कॉलम दे दो यहाँ पे. हो गया. इसको कॉपी करो, पेस्ट करो, थोड़ा और साइज बड़ा करना पड़ेगा. हाँ, Ctrl+C, Ctrl+V, V पेस्ट. एक रो, एक कॉलम में आ गया. अब जैसे कॉलम खत्म हुआ तो सेकंड कॉलम में चला गया, फिर थर्ड कॉलम में आ गया. नाउ टेक अ प्रिंट आउट एंड गिव टू द स्टूडेंट्स. ये हो गया आंसर का आपका. इसका आंसर क्या है, या फिर जो भी लिख सकते हैं आप MCQs का, 1 2 3 4 5 6. और यू कैन राइट डाउन सीरियल नंबर ऑल्सो, 1 2 3 4 5 6. एनी मोर क्वेश्चंस, या आगे बढ़े फिर?
Shabbir,
हाँ जी मैम.
someone wants to know how to draw a number line. Sorry, Akshada wants to know how to draw a number line and name the points on it. I have sent you one image on, you can check on your mobile in our group. She wants to know how to draw the number line and name the points on it.
Good evening, sir.
Yes. Yes, Akshada, go ahead.
Good evening, sir. Sir, actually, like for grade 5, 6, 7, for maths, especially when I have to draw a lot of question related to number line. So that time, what I do, most probably, like I need to go on Google, copy paste one of the image. So is it possible if I can draw it over here directly?
Yeah, you can draw. It's little bit effort is there, but once you start doing it, it is possible. The example you have said this, na, A B C D E F and a straight line and number is there. Okay, wait. It's a straight line. You have one. Go to the shapes. That is this 2 arrowed line. Correct. This is the straight line. इसको थोड़ा और थिक कर लेते हैं. Now, what is next? Like A, B, C, D. Then, yes. ठीक है. Control D. Just put it here. D. Select that. Control D. The same distance. So now rather go for one. Select multiple. एक बार में सबको select करना. Hold Control key and select all. Control D. Will get copy of 3. Just it here. Again press Control and select all. Control D. Just wait for this 4-sided arrow, then you move. Now select all again. Missed. Control D. Yes. Like small circles, go to insert, shapes, this circle, small circle, pick a small one. Put as you mentioned there some point, highlighted point, Control D, Control D, Control D. So as per your requirement, okay. And then come to alpha number part. Go to text box, rather writing somewhere. Insert text box. Take a text box. It's like it's 1. Size is very good. Type 1. Is the size. Below 1. Remove the border. Table format. No outline. No fill. Once you take this one the right place, just Control D, select and Control D, and put a word wherever you want to put, and change them as they are. Like 1 is now 2, 2 is 3. Okay, it will take 10 to 15 minutes, but you will get as per your requirement.
Thank you, Shabbir. We have one more question from OnePlus. Pragati, can you unmute this participant, please?
Good evening, madam. This is Sandhya here again. Sir just now showed about this multiple option question. Options were given A, B, C, D. So
Right.
I couldn't understand. Can you please tell us
Yeah.
again?
Yeah.
Something
There is a shortcut
24,
key.
1, 24, 2,
So,
something you did.
Yeah.
Yes.
So this is basically I get from the symbols. Okay. If you go to symbol, you will get A, B, C, D circle wise, like C circle, R is circle. So every equation or every symbol has a shortcut key. So for this, you just need to write 24D0 and press Alt X. You will get 8. 24D1 Alt X. You will say D. Okay. Hope you got this. 24D, 0 for A, 1 for B, 2 for C. Alt X. Then press Alt X. Okay, 24D3. Alt X. A, B, C, D. Like, go ahead. 24D4. Alt X. You will get E. Okay. So multiple time we will get confused with this shortcut keys. There are a lot of participants in the feedback form also and the registration form. They said that shortcut key याद नहीं रहता है, बहुत सारी shortcut key है. So if you want to download all the entire shortcut key of this Word file, just go to press Alt F8. Just note down this. Go Alt F8. This might be helpful for you. 1 second, I just write down here only. Alt plus function key F8. Okay, just press this one. Alt F8. Alt F8. You will get this macro. Okay, just type here list of commands. List commands. Type list commands and run. All Word commands. Okay, so you will get all Word commands in a single file. With the shortcut keys. See, you can see this. There are multiple blank spaces, so you just go to Alt F8, all commands, list commands, run current keyboard setting. You will get current keyboard. Whatever the this particular shortcut keys for my desktop or my keyboard. You can get your also. Take a printout or save this file for future remind. You can do that. Okay. moving forward. One important thing is that mail merge. I hope you guys must heard that mail merge kind of thing. If you want to send invites, letters to multiple people, but customize, like Pooja letters goes to Pooja teacher, my letter goes to my name. Okay, for that you need this mail merge part, which is mailing merge. That is the option, mail merge, start mail merge. Just for that you need a letter and a recipient list. So I prepared a list for that in an Excel file. I have a list of people to whom I want to send this particular invite. So there is an invite for annual function to the parents of school students. Student name is here, his class is here, parents' names are also there, event date is there, which date there is an event, time is there, specific time when they have to reach, venue, where is, and regards. Okay, this is all data. You can add multiple other data as well, but I take this data in an Excel file and save it. Okay. So go to Word, start mail merge. There is a steps, 6 steps, step by step mail merge. Okay. You want a letter, go to letter. Next, start document. This particular document. Select recipient. Browse. You just need to select that particular file. File name is mail data. Okay. Sheet 1. There is only one seat on that particular file, so that is seat 1. If there is multiple seat on that file, that will pick all the seats. You have to select your seat from that file. So seat 1 is there. Okay. You will take details of the data. Okay. If you don't want to pick any student data, you just uncheck that. It will not be considered as. But here I want to send everyone an invite. So taken all the data. Okay. Now time to write a letter. So I have a letter already with me. Just open that letter. Okay, I copy this letter to our Word file where we are planning to do this. Just paste here. So letter is that to the parents. Here the parents' name, student name, class section, parents' name again, date, time, venue, student name, and regards. Your name or our team name, whatever. Okay. So just need to replace this with the field, whatever we need. So now just select like parents name, select this, go to insert merge field. Okay. Parents name, you have the parents. Once you uploaded that Excel file, you can see this. Whatever the header is there in the Excel file, that particular header will reflect here, like student name, parents name, class, date, time, everything is reflecting here. So parents name, I take the parents name. Then parents of student name, we will take, select this student name, insert that field, student name, class and section, insert class. Again, parents name, insert parents name. On which date, select the date, insert date, time, go, and time, venue, insert, venue is also there. Again, student name, insert the field, student name, specific time, and regards is the last thing what we need. Just go to insert field, regards. So every field is now placed. Go to next, write your letter, which is already written, preview the letter. Now you can preview that. To Deepak Sen, Kiran Sen, Standard 5A, Deepak Sen, 28 June. Oh, there is no space between date and at the rate. Okay, so just go back to review letter. You can take a space between that. Okay. Just take a space in the main file. Again, go to preview letter. Now you can see 20th June at 6 p.m. to 9 p.m. in school auditorium. Kiran Sen will. Again, this is a mistake. Just go, take a space between. This review letter. Hope everything is fine. No, there is another issue is here. So go to previous and just give a space. Now, preview letter. This is a perfect letter now. Now complete the merge. Okay. Now you go to edit individual letters. All. Now you can see every letter, separate letter and separate name. Kirti Gupta, Deepak Sen, Rohit Agarwal. So you can save this file or mail this to particular recipient. Whatever you want to do, you can do. On the same way, you can send invite, you can say notice, everything you can say. Customize, you can say. So this is the part of mail merge. Any other questions?
Shabbir sir, I have a question. You just showed
Yeah,
how
ma'am.
to make this letter now. So
Yeah,
if
ma'am.
I want to, I have made this letter as a principal, I have written some matter in it, and I don't
Yeah,
want
ma'am.
anyone to change anything. Okay, anyone who's accessing my same device, how can I protect this document which I have made?
Okay. Okay. You can protect as this document a given password also.
Yes.
For example, if I have this document letter 2. Okay. Go to file. There's the option info. Protect document. Okay. You can restrict editing, restrict access. You can encrypt it with password. Like encrypted password means whenever you try to open that, you need to give your password first. At the 20, I give in a password. Okay. Re-enter the password. Now its document is protected. I close this. I don't know where it is saved. I have to check just control S. It's saved. I go to this header. File name is tool. Once I try to open, there is asking for password. I'll give the password and it will open. So this is password protected now.
Okay, thank you.
Commands. Any other questions? Or we can go to this now shapes. I have insert shapes. Okay. Sometimes triangle, rectangle, what shapes can be also useful in particular things like this rectangle is useful. Okay. By default, this is blue color. Okay. Whenever I draw any shape, it will be given as a blue color. Okay. Or while you are doing a particular shape, just take a circle. Press shift key, like insert, circle, shift key and draw a circle. It will draw perfect circle for you. Hold the shift key and drag. It will draw a perfect circle. Without shift key, it might be hodgepodge kind of thing. Like this, like this, like this. Just press shift and just go. It will give you perfect circle. छोटे से बड़ा एकदम perfect circle आएगा. If you hold the shift key. For the same, is rectangulars, hold shift key and drag. It will increase size the same manner. of shift small. So while drawing anything, just press the shift key and drag. Now अभी इसका shape change करना है. We want to change the colors, everything. So there is option open, shape format. So I am here, just shape format, go to shape format, change the color. I am changing color, entire colors. How it possible? Select all these things. By selecting all three and go to shape format and fill, change the color. This color is changed. Or individually I can go and change the color also. Sometimes I don't need any color. So don't put white, put no fill. Basically, no fill is like a transparent. Okay. No fill. Or I want to just give it some effects like shape effects, shadows. That also can be given. Shadow effects, more attractive. I don't want the outlines. Remove the outline. No outline. Select no outline. Now this rectangle is 3D effective. For a lower grade, you can give this colorful kind of thing to educate or interact with the students. But for higher mathematical equations or tables, you need this black and white kind of thing for making the questions. So it saves electric. Shift, hold shift and draw. Sure. Another thing, if we have some kind of table. So I have a table. So my table has some data, name, class, grade, same section, roll number. And this is my header of this particular table. So I just want to give a color. So go to design and give a color to this. Okay. Now I just move ahead, putting the names, detail, everything. While I'm going to next page, what will happen? The header will be removed. Okay, there is no header in second page. There is a header in first page, but there is no header in second page. But in printing, I want a header every page. Okay, I want a header in this page also, in third page also, whatever page. I need the header. It will constant. So what we want to do? Go to table layout. This is the header. Repeat header row. Click on repeat header. You will see header is here. Or I go ahead with the third page. The header will be reflected on third page as well. See, this is the header in third page as well. Page number 1, 2, 3. All the three page has header 1, 2, 3. Header repeat. This is header. Now header is. This is one kind of useful if you are going to print huge data and require header for every table. So just do this repeat header. Repeat header row. Click on repeat header row. That header will be repeated everywhere. And you can't make changes in the second page or third page header. You need to change in the first page. Whatever the changes done here will reflect others. Okay, I change the header math. Now it's changed to math. I change the roll number into something is mobile number. That is changed as a mobile number as well. Okay. One more quick thing, which what we used in Excel, now we just try to use it here also. Mathematical formulas like sum. Few numbers are written 10, 20, 30, 40. I need a sum here. In basically Excel, we just equals to sum, and that sum will appear. Here in Word, go to table layout. Once you are in table, go to table layout. There is a formula option. Just click on formula. That is an option. Sum above. Okay. Sum above. Okay. So that will sum. 10, 20, 30, 40 equals to 100. It's sum. While I change some number in between, 200. But 100 is not changed. Just press F9. It will be updated. Not required to go to formula again. Just press F9. It will be updated. Okay. Once again, I say the previous sum is 100. The number is changed to 200. Now it's just go and press F9. Just press F9. So this is sum below. Oh, if you want to sum right or left, that also can be happen. I here want sum. Table layout, formula, sum left. So the numbers are in left, so there will be sum left. Okay. Let's come to the left. Sum below. That can be also used. Here, if I want formula, that will appear as sum left below. 411. Sums as 110, 201 and 100 equals to 41. If I want count, that also can be happen. In formula, there is option of count. Go and count. Not required sum. Count. Count here. I want count here. Formula. Count above. So sum, replace sum with count. This is not required. Okay. Count is 4. 1, 2, 3. So these are the basic formula which can be used in Word. I know maximum major formula we are using Excel, but Word some formulas also there that can be used here. Any other question? We have 8 to 10 minutes left. Yeah, average also we can do. We can count, we can average everything. The things are whatever is there, we can use that. Average also we can. Just need to write average above. Count above, average above. 70. Yeah, I have already described this, how to edit PDF. Just go and open a PDF directly. Like I have a PDF here, I open that PDF directly. Press OK. Do a little bit of time. The PDF will open in an editable format. You can edit anywhere you want to edit. Want to change the color, you can change that also. This way it can be edited, or you can copy some part of that. That also can be done. Just take a copy and paste this particular thing to your document. That also can be happen. Just take a copy, and in our document we can paste also here. The table is came as it is, but the format is different. Need to change the format.
Thank you, teachers. We have shared the feedback link in the chat box.
I suggest you to download that shortcut key for your practice. So there is multiple shortcut key. Just running out of time, I just forget two shortcut key. One is date for date and for time. It is very useful shortcut key if you want to put date and time. Alt Shift D, date, Alt Shift T, time. Press Alt plus Shift plus D for date. Alt plus Shift plus T for time. This is very useful shortcut keys. Whenever you are typing something, you just all of a sudden require the time or date. And this is dynamic. If you save this file and came tomorrow, this date will be changed automatically. And time will be changed automatically. Anything else? I forget. Yeah. That is uncut. This is normal. Control 1, Control 2, Control 3. For line spacing, there's 2 line. Control 5.5, Control 1, 1 normal. For line spacing, there is shortcut key Control 1, Control 2, Control CTR plus 1, CTRL plus 2, CTRL plus 5. These are 3 line spacing shortcut keys. Can we use Control 2, Control 1, Control 5. 5 is 0.5 basically. I hope it will be help you in your day-to-day work. If you have any other queries, you can write to us. You have our mail IDs. We definitely try to look at that and arrange another session for you for Word or Excel or PowerPoint. We're running out of time. Just 3 minutes left. Puja teacher, any other questions from anyone?
Sir, we have one more question.
Yeah, tell
How
me.
to use effective scale use for a question paper drafting?
Scale or skill?
Could
Hello.
request Amit sir to please unmute and ask your question.
Yeah, Mr. Okay, in between, one more thing just I like to highlight. It's a problem statement when we are just I am doing something and forget to save that, and the system is shut down and anything happened, power cut. So Word recover these files also. That's the entire file, but some of the file can be recovered. If you want to recover that file, just go to File, Info, go to Manage Documents, Recover Unsaved Documents. Go to Recover Unsaved Document. The end system will show all the document which is not saved as per the date. You can see the date here also. Like 11 June, I have prepared something which is unable to save. 29th May, which is unable to save. So just open that and save as per your requirement. Open that. This is the open. This is the document and save. So this is one thing which can be help out when some file is missing or something you unable to save or forget to save. You can recover that from that particular thing. So feedback form is said. Please fill the feedback form and give your positive feedbacks. And also that what you extra need, that also particular thing you can share in feedback. And write your exact name, which will help us to create your certificate. Hopefully by Monday end you will get the certificate for the same. Thank you all. Thank you all students, all teachers. With the teacher, anything else?
शबीर आप एंड कर दीजिए. थैंक यू टीचर्स.
Okay. Thank you teachers. Thank you team.